Hello everyone, I am Eliezer Itaí Abarca Rivas, and on this occasion, I want to answer the following question. What do you think about our transportation in El Salvador? El Salvador, in recent years, has had a growth in the adoption of vehicles by its citizens. Now, a good percentage of the population has transportation or use public transportation. In a way, we cannot also ignore that population is also evident. In our country, there are many transportation that are already very old, and therefore there is a lot of population. We can say that we have the way of how to get around using personal or public transportation. But I want us not to lose sight of the fact that there is a lot of population and there are alternatives that we can use to also mobilize. Let's discuss various types of transportation that support environmental sustainability and reduce pollution. Introduction. Transportation plays a huge role in our life, but it is also one of the main causes of carbon emission. Environmentally friendly transportation options are an important step toward creating a greener future. Bicycles. Bicycles are one of the most environmentally friendly forms of transportation in addition to being pollution free. Cycling is also healthy and cost effective, ideal for short distance travel. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are becoming a popular choice because they do not produce exhaust emission. As technology advances, these vehicles are becoming more affordable and efficient. Public transportation. Public transportation, such as buses and trains, are very efficient in reducing the numbers of private vehicles on the road. These help reduce carbon emission and congestion. Carpooling than ride sharing. Carpooling or sharing a vehicle is another way to support green transportation. By sharing a ride, we can reduce pollution and fuel consumption. Solar powered vehicles utilize renewable energy that does not produce pollution. Although still in the development stage, its potential is very large for the future. Conclusion. Environmentally friendly transportation is the key to a greener and a healthier future. By making a small choice every day, we can contribute to creating a better world. Thank you. See you later.